Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. It's Monday morning and we got back off our holiday to Portugal yesterday, at early hours of yesterday morning. So I'm going to film just a little day in the life. Eddie's gone back to work today and we actually missed him because the girls laid in until 9 o'clock this morning, which is very welcome and really lovely, but a little bit of a shock if I'm honest, because they didn't particularly go to bed late last night. So, well, yeah, we are all up and I'm not dressed, but today is going to be mostly about sorting out and appreciating being at home. It's really rainy outside, so I don't even know what we're going to do. I was planning on kind of throwing the girls into the garden to play while I got things done. That's not going to happen. So they're currently reading in Roma's room, so I'm not really sure what we're going to do today, but I've got some unpacking to do. Thankfully, Eddie did all the washing yesterday, which means I've got washing everywhere, but it dried and I just need to unpack all the other things. You know how it is when you've got the washing ones out, but I've got 3 more to unpack and put away. So I'm going to do that this morning and then maybe even venture out into the rain. Coats and wellies and umbrellas. Oh, I hate British summer, especially when you go away and then you come back and you're just back into jumpers already. Anyway, enough weather chat. I'm going to go and get dressed. Roma, are you going to help Mummy unpack?
No.
Oh, why?
But I'm going to unpack.
Oh, right, okay. It's a bit cold. What's that your arms in? I'm not cold. It basically now just looks worse than it did before. But, I mean, at least the suitcases are empty, right? Ugh. I have to show you these. If you didn't see on my Instagram stories, we went to like parrot shows and owl shows and reptile shows and things like that when we were on holiday. Look how unhappy Roma looks. She absolutely loved it. She was asking to hold everything. Eva held a chameleon. But as soon as the camera was pointed at her, look how unhappy she looks. Look how shocked Eva is. But she actually really loved it. But they do make me laugh. €30 on 3 photos. The things you do, hey. Don't just love it when they've got school holidays and they find toys that they've not played with for ages because they're actually in the playroom playing? We got...
It turns corners!
You'd think they'd never play with it before. Ah! Mummy's leg! Go! Ready? Just press the forward button, don't press left or right. This doesn't happen very often, so I'm going to document it. They're playing nicely outside, both of them are outside. And I'm doing some writing. And it's been happening for about 25 minutes. And they're just playing nicely. So I'm not talking to him because it might stop. And it's really nice. So yeah. Doesn't happen often. But when it does, I'm going to appreciate it for all I can get. So we just had a delivery of some times tables things for Eve, haven't we, darling? Mm-hmm. So we've got like a Usborne. We love Usborne books, don't we? Like Lift the Flap. And this is a times table one. It's really good actually. Some worksheets, just like practice sort of books, and a times table activity pad. And this is brilliant, isn't it, Eva? You like this one? And what's good about it?
That, you know, before you even look at it, you know what times table it is because it says right at the bottom.
It does, yeah. So it says all that, but you can also
make them as table backs at places and just do them.
Yeah.
While you're waiting for your dinner and things.
That's right, yeah, because you can like tear it out. It's like that paper, you can tear it out. It's really, really good, isn't it? And this is going to really help you practice your times table, isn't it?
Yeah.
And the last thing we've got is
this is like a little
poster.
Times
table poster.
Tables.
So we're going to put that up in the playroom on the wall, aren't we? Because you're loving your times tables at the moment, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Usborne, we love Usborne anyway, but these are brilliant. Got them from Amazon.
Like you're doing a job for him anyway. You're here today because it is the holiday tea party, and you don't know what you're going to eat yet, but I'll tell you what it is made from. So there's edible bath stuff in water for white sauce, water, parsley, grass and petals for like main, and then for drink there's grass and yeah, a little bit of grass and water.
Amazing.
And they're all edible, and sometimes they've got a bit of bath bubble in them. But that's what you're going to be eating today.
Perfect.
So, Mum, you chose yellow, didn't you?
I did choose yellow.
And a spoon in the cups.
Oh, wow. Can we remind Roma not to actually drink it, please?
Yes.
Yum.
All of you nearly all done.
After the rain this morning, it's actually turned out to be a really beautiful day. So we've spent some time in the garden, haven't we, girls?
Yeah.
But now we need to go and see Grandma and Grandad, don't we?
Yeah.
Let's go and see. We're going to see my mother-in-law and father-in-law after our holiday, and we're going to have dinner there, aren't we? And we're going to meet Dad there after work.
I'm going to meet Grandad and Grandma.
We're going to meet Grandad and Grandma there as well, yeah. So let's go then, girls.
Okay.
Yep, go on then. Go. Wrong side, Roma. This side.
The sailor went to sea to see what he could see, and all that he could see was the bottom of the deep blue sea.
I definitely don't regret teaching her that.
Stop what? Stop what? Stop.
What are you doing?
What was it?
This. It's
What?
a hunting.
What happened?
This. It's just right. It's just right for bedtime temperature.
We've had a really lovely day today. Simple, we haven't done anything exciting, but just at home, and they've been happy, and I've potted around and we've got stuff done in preparation for tomorrow, which is Roma's back at nursery, and I've got the day just with Eva, so that'll be really nice. And it's 9:30. I've just had to tell Eva to go to sleep because she's still reading, but we are sat and going to have a cup of tea. Eddie's done some ironing because we are rock and roll, and then we're going to go to bed.